Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing Amnesia for you. Oh, let's fix this a little bit. Alright, so yeah, Amnesia by 5 Second Summer. I hope you guys like it, and I hope I don't suck. Drove by all the places we used to hang out, getting wasted. Thought about our last kiss, where you felt, where you tasted. Even though your friends tell me you're doing fine, are you somewhere feeling lonely? Even though he's right beside you, when he says those words that hurt you, do you read the ones I wrote you? Sometimes I start to wonder, was it just a lie? If what we had was real, how could you be fine? 'Cause I'm not fine at all. I remember the day you told me you were leaving. I remember the makeup running down your face, and the dreams you left behind, you didn't need them. Like every single wish we ever made, I wish that I could wake up with amnesia and forget about the stupid little things, like the way it felt to fall asleep next to you, and the memories I never can escape. 'Cause I'm not fine at all. The pictures that you sent me, they're still living in my phone. I'll admit I like to see them, I'll admit I feel alone, and all my friends keep asking why I'm not around. Hurts to know you're happy, yeah, it hurts to you moved on. It's hard to hear your name when I haven't seen you in so long. It's like it never happened, was it just a lie? If what we had was real, how could you be fine? 'Cause I'm not fine at all. I remember the day you told me you were leaving. I remember the makeup running down your face, and the dreams you left behind, you didn't need them. Like every single wish we ever made, I wish that I could wake up with amnesia and forget about the stupid little things, like the way it felt to fall asleep next to you, and the memories I never can escape. 'Cause I'm not fine at all. If today I woke up with you right beside me, like all of this was just some twisted dream, I'd hold you closer than I ever did before, and you never slip away, and you never hear me say, I remember the day you told me you were leaving. I remember the makeup running down your face, and the dreams you left behind, you didn't need them. Like every single wish we ever made. 'Cause I'm not fine at all. No, I'm really not fine at all. Tell me this is just a dream. 'Cause I'm really not fine at all. Well, there you guys go. Hope you like it. I'm sorry if it sucked at parts. That's just... well, love you guys. Bye.